Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of crude can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at a level of $75.22. Okay, and there is a continuous upside we have seen, and chances are very high because it is already at a strong support, so a bounce back can come, but it is trying to go upside because this resistance is already being weak, so it will cross this level, and yes, a probability of touching a level of 76 begins. Once the price started sustaining of 76, it will be a zone breakout, and so chances are high it will go towards 77. Okay, and if that 77 sustain, we will see that there is a higher chances of going further high because 77 is a strong support. So once the starting moving of 77, a further upside towards 79 and to a level of 80, 81 also, and we can see a further upside. Okay, overall trend we can see it is in the range, but if you look at this particular zone, a zone towards an upside we can see. Okay, from 2 days there is a upside. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the crude price can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join them too. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances that if the price started falling below $72, a further downfall we can see, and if it started moving below this level, it will fall below a level of $69. Okay, and if the price started falling below 69, a further downfall we can see because there is a clear indication of it. Okay, but if the price started sustaining of this level, it will move above a level of 77, and from there a further upside movement we can see. Okay, now look at this particular chart, what we can see. Chances are high, yes, if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose the price sustain, it will go towards a level of $76.21, which is already being a weak support, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around 78.21. Okay, if the price started sustaining over 78.21, a further upside we can see towards a level of $79.81. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout we can see, and from there a probability that it will cross a level of $81. Keep that in mind, there is a higher chances that it will go further upside if the price sustain above 81, and from there it will cross a level of 83.56, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level and it will touch a level of 85.96. Okay, if the price sustain above 85.96, a further upside we can see, and from there a probability of touching a level of around 88 we can see. Okay, if it's move above that level, a further upside. Okay, now understand something. See, market is always uncertain, so you have to always remember to put your SL. If you are putting your SL, you will save your capital. Okay, and if you are trailing your SL, you will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, so if you are doing these two things, you will be sustaining for a longer period of time, and you can take this profit home. Okay, and your capital wipeout problem will be solved if you are putting your SL. There is a higher chances of it. So let's see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards a level of 74.56. If started moving below this level, we can see a level of $73.56. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, we will see a level of 72.10. Keep that in mind that once the price started moving below this particular zone, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 70.64. Okay, and from there a further fall we can see towards a level of around 69.54. Okay, and if that level goes further low, then a further fall we can see towards the level of 67.41. Okay, this 67.41 is already being, see, once started going below 68, which is a strong support, we can see a level of 67.41, and from there a probability is high that we can see it will move further low because these levels are already being tested, so chances of going towards 64.62 is there. Okay, and if started moving below this particular zone, we will see a level of 63.49, and from there a further fall we can see from to a level of 61.75. Okay, if that level move further low, then a further downfall we can see, from there it can go towards $60.59. Okay, and if the price started moving below this particular zone, a further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail ID also in the description. So once started moving below a level of 60.56, a further downfall we can see towards $57.42, and from there a further fall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.